Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Oh, welcome. My February Boxycharm by Ipsy has finally arrived. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys what's inside. I do have to say, when I was doing the choices for this box and the add-ons, they weren't really that good. As always, I have everything pulled up on my phone to tell you guys what was chosen for me, what I chose. Here's the inside of the box. First up is the Fenty Skin Flash Nap Instant Revival Priming Eye Gel Cream and Eye Massage Tool. I chose this. I really like Fenty Skin. This little eye massage tool looks so cool. Oh, it feels really nice. It's really cold, so it's gonna feel really good in the morning. Next up, we have this Mischo Beauty Blush Stick. So this product was something that Ipsy chose for me. So Ipsy chose this for me. This is in the shade The Life. This is what the shade looks like, and let's do a little swatch. It's a really pretty shade. So something I like to do with my cream blushes, because I have so many, and I'll probably do it with this one because I really like this shade for this purpose, is take a little bit on your finger and just blot it on your lip, and that way you just have like a really pretty light hint of color to your lips. I think it just looks so pretty. Again, it's just another way to use these if you have a lot of them, but I like to do this and then like a Summer Fridays lip balm type of deal on top, and it's just like a really pretty blushy glossy lip. Next up, we have Life of the Party from 5 Cents. If you're new here, I love 5 Cents perfume. They're sold at Sephora. They're so good. I've received 2 from Beauty Tap, and I got 2 in my Ipsies, so I'm adding to my collection. I love these perfumes. I love the bottle. I just love how basic they are with like this little pop of color. I think they're so pretty. So this one is Life of the Party. It's Black Currant, Peach Blossom, Saffron, Midnight Jasmine, and Amber. I'm excited to try this. It sounds totally different. Not something I would typically go for. So let's test it out. I feel like there's just something like signature about these. They all have this like one little hint where they kind of smell all like, you know, it's a 5 cent scent, but I really like this. I don't know why, but I'm gonna save this one for summer. This is gonna be my summer scent. What is this? This is like for Polly Pockets. The second item that Boxycharm by Ipsy chose for me is this Beauty For Real Brow Max Ombre Brow Powder. This is in the shade Deep. Here is a better close-up of the shades. My pinky is bigger than the brush. Like, who's holding this? I can't hold this. I'm not really thrilled about this. I don't like brow powders. Never really did. That's all I really have to say. My last pick is the Ciate London Vitamin Boost Setting Spray. I love Ciate London products. I don't know why people don't talk about them a lot. So whenever I see Ciate as a choice, I always choose it. I could also just always use a setting spray. I feel like you can never have enough setting sprays. I go through setting spray so quickly. Then for my beauty boost, it's this OC Atmosphere Protection Cream. This is a lightweight daily moisturizer that's seaweed powered moisturizer that hydrates and provides barrier protection against environmental pollutants. It's going to improve the look of elasticity while rebalancing the skin's own microbiota to promote a healthy, radiant complexion. Algae blended with omega rich oils nourish while leaving the skin soft and supple. This is going to quickly absorb to a silky finish, and it's ideal under sunscreen or makeup. I'm really excited to try this. This sounds like it's going to be amazing on the skin. The silky finish just sounds so nice. So to me, this month's box was kind of meh. Like I said, the choices were not good. I am excited about the Fenty Flash Nap Instant Revival Eye Gel Cream and the 5 Cents Life of the Party perfume. Let me know what you think of this month's box in the comments down below. If you have Ipsy, tell me if you thought like the choices were very meh. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media, and that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.